Assalamu alaikum dear students. Here's Mrs. Iram for you to give you a lesson about acids and alkalis, which are chemicals, and you will see what these chemicals are. And in this video lesson you will also see the properties of acids, and you will see where these acids you have seen in your daily life. Dear students, in this lesson we will see unit number 9, acids and alkalis. We will see what are in this video lesson. You will be able to understand about what are acids and acids used in laboratory, and you will be seeing about what are natural acids, naturally where the acids they are found, and we will also see some properties of acid. So please keep on watching your video lesson keenly. Here you can see, dear students, what are acids. Acids, they are solutions or chemicals, and you can also understand by looking up these pictures that they can be found in lemon, oranges and limes, as it's a very clear example that you can easily understand about. If you taste lemon, it's very sour, so you just squeeze it in the water and then you can have it. Otherwise it's very difficult to have direct. You cannot eat this lemon, it's very sour or sharp in taste. Orange you can eat, and fresh lime it's difficult to eat because their tastes they are sharp and sour. These examples I have taken because you are familiar with these examples, and you can have tasted, you have already tasted these fruits in your life. So this taste, as you have seen in this in these fruits, they are sour or sharp in taste, so these chemicals are acid. So acid, they have first quality, first definition, that they are chemicals which have sharp and sour taste. Some acids that are being used in the school science laboratories, you can today learn their names. Number 1, that is hydrochloric acid, and then it is nitric acid. As you can see in these bottles, we can keep acid in these bottles in the school laboratory. So you studied hydrochloric acid, you will learn its name, its formula HCl, and nitric acid HNO3, and then sulfuric acid, it is H2SO4, and then it is ethanoic acid or acetic acid or glacial acetic acid. So these are name of one and the same chemicals. So these 4 acids, dear students, you have seen that mostly they are used in the school science laboratory, so you have to learn their names, that acids that are being used in the science laboratories. Dear students, in this video lesson you have learned some acids from your science laboratories. They are corrosive, so whenever you are in lab, you are not supposed to touch these chemicals without teacher's permission, and you have to be some safety measures when you are using these acids. So why? Because they are corrosive, they can burn your skin, even they can burn skin, clothes and the paper on the tabletop, like that. So we have to deal with these chemicals with great care. So when you are using them in the laboratory, you have to use them with great care. Dear students, you will also learn some natural acids. You can also see them. You can open your book, page number 109. You will first learn their names, and then you will also see where they are found. So number one acid is hydrochloric acid, ethanoic acid, methanoic acid, citric acid, lactic acid, oxalic acid, ascorbic acid, tartaric acid, tannic acid. So dear student, you will learn where these acids they are found. So one by one we will see where the natural acids, what are their sources, where they are found in the nature. So first we studied the name, that was hydrochloric acid. It is found in our stomach. Hydrochloric acid is found in human stomach. As you can see here, it helps in the digestion. Ethanoic acid you can find, it's also called as vinegar. It is present in your kitchen. So in your kitchen you can find this chemical, and it is an acid. Methanoic acid, it is found in the ants stings or nettle stings. You can see when this ant is going to bite you, you just feel little itching over that place. So that is due to the acid, because you know that acids, they are sharp in taste, and also they are corrosive. So that's why you feel little itchy over there. Now a few more natural acids are there. So you are watching with this video lesson in which you are learning that how these natural acids, what are their sources, where they are found. So our fourth acid is citric acid. It is found in lemon juice, and lemon, you can see when squeezed in the water, you little add sugar, and then you can enjoy it. Otherwise it's little sour in taste, and you will not be able to drink just lemon or lemon water, or you can just add sugar, then it will be lemon juice. So it contains acid that is known as citric acid. Then comes lactic acid, is present in milk. Oxalic acid is present in spinach. That is very healthy food, the vegetable spinach. It contains oxalic acid. So here you have to see ascorbic acid, and it is again a natural acid. It is found in different fruits and vegetables. Ascorbic acid, it is found in fruits and vegetables. Next our acid, natural acid, is tartaric acid. It is found in grapes. Tartaric acid, it is found in grapes. Then is tannic acid. Tannic acid is found in the tea. Tannic acid, it is found in the tea. So after learning laboratory acids, definition of acids, and where the natural acids they are being found, we have to see some properties of acids. So what are the properties of acid? One by one we will see. Now here you can see, first property of acid is acids have sour taste. As you can see, if you squeeze a lemon, what happens? Your face can also be like this. Yes, it is sour taste. Acids, they have sour taste. As dear students, you already have studied in this video lesson that acids are the chemicals. So these are chemicals that are soluble in water. It means they are dissolved in water. If you make acids to dissolve in water, as an example, you can see that lemon, you have dissolved it in the water, so it is mixed in the water. So you can say that acids, they are soluble in water. It is their second property. So here's a third property, and you already knew that strong acids are corrosive. You cannot touch them, you cannot drink them. So they are, strong acids are corrosive. They can burn your skin, they can burn where they are spilled. So the acids, strong acids, they are corrosive, means they have burning action. So we are not supposed to touch them as such. Next property of acid is that acids, they can turn blue litmus red. Litmus paper, as you can see, it is blue paper. I'm going to dip in the acid solution. You can see it is turned red. The part that has been dipped into the acid solution, it is turned red. The paper was blue. You can see that when I dipped in the solution, it become red. So it is a property of acid that it turns blue litmus red. So litmus paper is a special kind of paper to check either the solution is acid or a alkali. So for acid, you will remember, for the property of acid, what happens when you dip the blue litmus paper into the solution, it turns red. So here you can see, dear students, one more property of acid, that acids have pH less than 7. What is pH? It is a scale used to measure either the solution is acidic or basic. It have number from 0 till 14. So among these we can recognize easily. This number tells us that either the acid is either the solution is acidic or basic. So if the solution pH it is less than 7, the solution is called as acid. If the pH is more starting from 8 to 14, the solution is basic. Less than 7 means 0 till 6. All these solutions are acid, as you can see different examples over here: milk, saliva, black coffee, tomato juice, acid rain, orange juice, soda, vinegar, lemon juice, battery acids, and hydrochloric acid. All these have pH less than 7. So these chemicals, they are acidic in nature. Here you can see one more property of acid. Acids conduct electricity when in solution. So whenever they are in solution, you can see it's a conductometer. You can see that it can show that electricity. The needle over here can show the fluctuation that the conduction has been passed. You can also see that electricity has been passed over here in this solution. So if the electricity is passed, the solution is acidic. So acids, they conduct electricity when in the solution, means electricity can pass through acid solutions. So here you can see acidic acid solution, it has low conductivity. You can see these are metal plates, and it's a very simple experiment. And if the bulb you can see here is just lit up, because the electricity has been produced in this chemical which make this bulb to light up. So you can say that acids, they conduct electricity. Electricity has been passed into the solution and make the bulb to light up. So here you can see properties of acid. They are electrolytes, means electrolytes are the solution in which electricity can pass. Here one more example, you can see that if the solution is having acid, so you can see the electrons, they are flowing. This shows that, this experiment shows that the solution is electrolyte, means electricity is passed between in the solution, and you can see that electrons, they are flowing. It means they are electrolytes, they can conduct electricity, and they are having a property to let electricity to pass through them. So dear students, today you studied properties of acids, and you studied natural acids, where they are found, and you studied acids, their definition, their properties, and natural acids and laboratory acids. So please learn them well, all the examples, and enjoy this video lesson. Thank you very much.